okay, all kids and young adults. I hope you are having a great school year so far, and you are taking my words of advice very seriously, and not tampering with fire alarms at school or at college. That is absolutely a big no. You do not ever do that. You do not ever tamper with fire alarms in any public building for that matter. Nope, because these are not toys. These are very serious life safety devices that save people's lives and save buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why these are not to be messed with. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then it is okay to mess with them, but in a public building, it is absolutely not okay at all to mess with these things. Now, if you detect a fire and you pull it, that is okay, but do not pull it for fun. And if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test and you pull it, that is okay, but do not pull it for fun and never, ever, for any reason, tamper with fire alarm equipment. Ever. You never paint it, you never write or draw on it, you never take it off the wall or the ceiling. You just leave the alarm alone. You never disable the sound or the strobe. You never take the sounder or the strobe off of it. You never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on it. You never put any movie characters on it. You never make it pink. That is what I say when I say do not paint fire alarms. Is that you do not make it any other color, including pink. Do not ever do that. Now, if it's your own alarm, you can, but in a public building, do not. You cannot be tampering with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason, because these are not toys to play with. Goodbye.